Hey everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to see who viewed your profile on Facebook. So first, open up Facebook and go to your profile. Next, click on the three dots beside Edit Profile. Now, click Turn on Professional Mode, and then click Turn on. Just keep clicking Next until you're done. Once you're done, click Professional Dashboard. And then here, you can see Insights. Below Insights, you can see how many views you've gotten from the previous 28 days. Click on that, and then it'll show you more details about the views. Now, in order to see who these people are, go to Google and then search Facebook Profile Visit Tracker app. Next, scroll down until you see this. Now here you can see 7 apps that'll help you see who viewed your Facebook profile. Download these apps at your own risk. Just choose one of these apps, download them, sign in, and there you go. You're able to see who exactly viewed your Facebook profile.